My name is Brandon Parks, and I am the president and owner of Parks Trucking Company Incorporated. We have 25 employees, run about 20 trucks a day. The trucking business is somewhat volatile. There's seasons where there's a certain type of hauling that is happening right now. At times, we run into things to where the equipment that we have on our yard that we've been using for years is not what I need to work the next day. And there's never been a time that I've called Pinnacle and said, I've got a job or I've got a haul and I need this type of trailer, and they've said, we can't get it. It's not available. It's like, we'll find it.
From sand and rock to cement to beam girders to riprap to whatever it is, we walk through the process to see what's the best fit for him.
The greatest thing about our relationship with Pinnacle Trailers is that when I come in to buy something or purchase something here, I don't question the price because I know I'm gonna be treated fairly. I don't know that I could be where I'm at in business today without the support of Pinnacle Trailers and what they've done for us.